Hello all, welcome back to Trinity Software. Let's see how to generate a random password in Python. This password must contain an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a digit and a special symbol. So we are going to make use of the built-in modules of Python called random module and string module, so that we can randomly generate the password, and we are using the string module to make use of the string constants like uppercase, lowercase, digit and the special symbol. So let me start writing the program. We'll import random module and string module. Okay. Now let me get the length of the password from the user using this statement int of input of length of the password. Okay, so after getting the length of the password, now I use string module. String module constants, string dot ASCII underscore uppercase. String dot ASCII underscore uppercase will contain all the 26 alphabets in uppercase. So similarly, you want lowercase characters. So we got the lowercase and we need a digit, the numbers. We'll use string dot digits, and this special symbol is obtained from string dot punctuation constant. All the punctuation symbols can be obtained from string dot punctuation. Fine. Now we are going to fill the first 4 characters of the password by using random.choice method from random module. So this choice method will actually return a randomly selected element from the specified sequence. So I use random.choice of u plus, so this sequence is a string sequence here, plus random.choice of L plus random.choice of D for digit plus random.choice of this punctuation which is stored in the variable S. Fine. Now we have got the first 4 characters. To fill the remaining characters, I will use the for loop for I in range of, we have already got the password length from the user, so PL minus 4, because first 4 characters are already filled. To fill the remaining characters, we'll just append P with random.choice of, it's going to be a combination of all this uppercase, lowercase, digit and punctuation, right? So I'll use U plus L plus D plus S. That's it. So the password is generated right now. So let's print and check the password. So length of the password, I'm giving it as 12. So we got it. We got the random password generated here. So here, since we have given in this order for the first 4 characters of the password, we have chosen one from uppercase, one from lowercase, one from digit and one from punctuation. So this program will always give you in this way: uppercase, lowercase, a digit and a special symbol. If you want to change the position of the elements of this password, you can make use of shuffle method from random module. So in order to use this shuffle method, first we have to convert this string P to a list of characters. You can shuffle it and then join the result again. So I am converting it into a list here using list method, list of P. Okay, and I'll just shuffle it using shuffle method, random.shuffle of L. Okay, now it's shuffled. but it is present in the form of a list. Again, I want to convert this list to a string. We can do that using the join method. So password is equal to separator dot join of L. Now let me print the password. We don't want this. So we got a random password generator. Again, I am giving a different length. Every time we'll get a random password generated. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe.